Hello guys and welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we're gonna see about the functions that we can implement in the numericals. So these are a single line of code. So let's get on. So since they are single lines, I'm gonna bring in my print statement initially. Now the first function that we're gonna see is the max. So what this does is it can give us the highest possible number present in the list. So let's get on. So let me take numbers like 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. So this is just a simple example, and if you just check the output, there you go, 5. So the maximum number present in the list of these numbers is 5. Now this is about the max. Now moving on to the next, which is I'm going to print the minimum number present in the list. So let me take it as 10, 19, 8 and 7 and 65. So the minimum number over here is 7. So this is the minimum number present. Now moving on to the next, which is you can even find the absolute value present. So if you just give ABS, so this is the word that can be used to find the absolute value of a number. So let me just give it as minus 20, 20, and let's check the output. There you go, it has given the absolute value for 2020. So this is about the absolute value. Now moving on, we can even find the power. So let's get on with that. So let me just type in print, and to find the power, the word is POW, and it takes in two arguments. That is, the first is the number that I'm going to give is 2, and the second number, let it be 3. So the meaning of this is 2 power 3. So if you just check the output, so the answer for 2 power 3 is 8. So these are some of the functions that can be used in numericals.